What is crypto arbitrage trading and how does it actually work? In this video, you will learn what is crypto arbitrage trading, which is buying assets at a lower price on a centralized platform, which is Binance, and selling them at a higher price on a decentralized platform. So for you to buy your assets at a lower price on a centralized platform like Binance, go to your P2P, buy your assets at a lower price at a rate of 1.0. You can buy USDT, BTC, or any other crypto. So for me, I have 1,357 and let's get it to 1,400. So our decentralized platform is Ranquilly. You can search it in your browser, where we sell our assets now at a higher price. And make sure you register, you verify your email and KYC. And if you comment crypto arbitrage trading, you can get free funding. So in this video, I will talk about two things, but we'll be trading manually, receiving our assets direct to our Binance account. So get this, we are buying our assets at a lower price on Binance, selling at a higher price on our decentralized platform, that is Ranquilly, but our profits will be sent by the merchant to our Binance account directly. So we receive our assets in the centralized platform. Let me show you that, but you can also trade crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots. I know this is rare and it is being found only in Ranquilly. Today we made some profits, 617 with a capital of only 500 USDTs, trading with Flash Arbitrage Probot, and the crypto was the pair was BTC stroke Ethereum. So it was double profit. That is trading with automated bots. You can check the video in my Telegram, or you can check it in full in my YouTube channel. So let's trade crypto arbitrage trading manually. So we buy low on a centralized platform, that is Binance, I repeat again, and we sell it here at a higher price, and we don't need to withdraw. The funds will be sent direct to our Binance account. So I'll come, because I'm trading USDT, and find a merchant with a rate of 1.16, which is not bad. And I will be trading with 100 USDTs, which I will be expecting 116 USDTs. But you know, in crypto arbitrage trading, there is something called P2P fee. So you get, they deduct their P2P fee of 2.32, and the merchant will send me 113.68. So I receive externally. Remember, there is internally, where you receive your funds direct here to your Ranquilly account, then we withdraw. But we don't want that, but it is effective. I want to receive my funds direct to my external wallet, which is Binance. So I click on Binance. You can use Bybit, you can use KuCoin, you can use Geto, any crypto wallet. So I'll go to my Binance account, click on assets, then click on add funds. On add funds, then I click deposit address. To get my deposit address, I will use TRC20. Then I'll come here and click on Binance again, then paste my Binance address, then I review. Reviewing means you confirm everything is okay. So I'll be expecting 113.68 in my Binance account in less than 30 minutes. Let's confirm the trade, and now the trade is running. You can see we'll be receiving 113 here. We are selling, we are not buying, because we bought low on Binance and we sell high here. So by now, you know how to buy cryptocurrency or crypto coins in your centralized platform. So this trade will be running with a maximum time of 30 minutes. But remember, if the merchant is online, he can pay in less than even 5 minutes. So let's wait until we receive our funds in a Binance account. That's when we will release. So let's check our balance again, so that you confirm everything works perfectly. It is 1,357. Let's wait for a merchant to pay, then we release the trade. So guys, you can see a confirmation that my trade has been paid on. Remember, we didn't withdraw. The funds were sent direct to my Binance account. You can see it has changed 1,469, and here I have to release on my trade. Let me refresh it. Okay, he has not marked as paid, so let me wait. This is what I was waiting for him to mark the trade as paid, and what I need to do is just to release. It's just to do what? To release my guys. Let me take a screenshot of this first. Very nice. And I wanted to talk also of escrow. In escrow, you can't lose your assets. Never. Because they will be held until you are satisfied. You come and confirm that the amount sent was the same. That is the basic thing. Even if he sends with less than cents, like 68 cents, he sends 58 cents, make sure you don't release. You come and dispute the trade. You just click here and the trade is reversed. So let me release, and that's how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading: buying assets at a lower price on a centralized platform, selling them at a higher price on a decentralized platform, making profits, receiving direct to your Binance account or any other crypto wallet. We are out. Let's meet in the next trade.